Right, so this is the Tamron 17 to 70mm lens. Look at that. Beast of a lens. Right, that should be fine. So you're probably wondering, what does this footage actually look like with the lens? So why don't I show you? Let me swap this over. So this is the footage from this lens. I've decided to try and reduce the noise. I've put this now to 2.8 and I have changed the ISO to around 5000, which I think it was at before, but it should be still a brighter image. So we can now zoom in quite substantially. So this is equivalent to, so on an APS-C body, this 17 to 70 is equivalent to like a 25 to 75. So you get quite a bit of extra zoom and reach there. So this is the lens again from a different angle. It's quite a big lens. It's like, so it will be quite heavy on the camera. One thing is, I believe this is a 67mm, which means that I have a variable ND filter, which should fit automatically. So it is only a cheap ND filter. It's like a £20 one, so it's not that good at all. Yeah, so much difference in brightness. Damn, its performance with reading things really close, like, oh, I hope it feels. Like, that is that much away from the lens, and that is picking up and reading that clearly. Like, very good, very good.